This video is to explain Part 4 within Lab 6. Part 4 happens to be a series parallel circuit here. We happen to have a 12 volt supply going to our whole circuit. We happen to have a 2.2 k ohm resistor that's in series to this parallel network, which happens to be a 1 k ohm in parallel with a series of a 4.7 k ohm and a 3.3 k ohm. So essentially what you can do and what you're asked to do is find the total resistance across here. So you can simply calculate it by adding these two together. You should get 8 k ohm, and after simply find the equivalent resistance across that branch with this branch here, and then add that resistance with this 2.2 k ohm. And then you can simply measure the total resistance by measuring from the red lead to the black lead, but just make sure that you don't have any supply actually going to the actual circuit. You'd be better off by just simply taking these guys out and measuring them. Once you happen to do that, you're asked to measure the source current. So you're going to be taking this lead here, connect one side of your DMM to this pin, and after the other side to the top of the 2.2k resistor, and that's how you will find the source current. And you're also asked to find V4, which happens to be your 3.3k resistor. So all you're going to be doing is measuring right across this guy. So you're going to be putting alligator clips. Well, you can simply put alligator clips right on the leads themselves, since they're kind of poking out there, and you should be all set. You'll notice that the voltage here is going to be a fraction of the series branch right here. So you happen to have a voltage drop on this 2.2k, and similar to part 1, it's going to be, so you'll have your 2.2k having a specific voltage drop, and then this whole parallel circuit here will get the other portion of the source voltage. So you can do your source voltage minus V1 or R1, well, the voltage across R1 will be the voltage across this parallel circuit, and you will simply have to do voltage division to calculate out what the voltage is at this 3.3 k ohm resistor. And that's essentially all to part 4 of Lab 6.